Good night, everyone. I am about to get this hair did. I neglected it for a couple of months. It's a little dry and crunchy, and I just need to get a little upliftment in the hair department. So I'm going to do a quick before and after and put my hair in what is it called? A protective style, so that I can keep my hands out of it and hopefully some of the moisture will come back in this bad boy. See you soon. So I'm going to start out with a quick wash, 2 washes with my shampoo bar made by Coco Fresh. Thank you. Okay, everyone, so we just got finished spraying my hair down with some conditioner, with some aloe gel, some spring water, and a medley of essential oils. It's smelling very yummy. I'm going to do a light rinse, and then we are going to start the oiling process. Thank you. Nettles, cloves, and all types of herbs and spices that is proven to correct scalp issue and promote hair growth. Okay, everyone, I am finished. My hair is nice and loose at the root, just the way I like it, and tight on the ends. So it feels so nice and moisturized, and it smells so good. Oh, I'm so thankful. But and she used the entire bottle. It needed it. But this is my whole lock loving system that's on cocofresh.com. That's COCOA.com. And you can find all types of herbal medicines and hair products and skin products and vitamins and minerals and all types of great stuff for the healing of our bodies. Thank you. Thank you, Tara.
Thank you.